welcome to this week's episode of Armytage Money Talks. I'm Emma, Head of Digital Marketing here at Armytage, and today I'm joined by both our portfolio managers, Lee and Brad. So we just finished up with our weekly ICM and we talked about infrastructure, interest rates and energy. Brad, do you want to give us your thoughts on that?
Yeah, so starting with infrastructure, Sydney Airports is one we've been watching for a while with the current takeover bid for the stock. We've actually decided to reduce our position and look at some other stocks in this sector. That's basically been a function of how long this takeover process could take. It's going to be a lot more than most people think, and the time value of money, we think the opportunity cost is too great and we can reinvest that money into other infrastructure assets.
Yes, great. And do you want to give a comment on that one as well, Lee?
Well, the other one that got a little bit of attention was a bit of a bank reported the other day, and it got knocked down, which is the National Australia Bank. Raised the dividend from 30 to 67 cents. It sold off about 3.5-4% yesterday, which provided a very nice little opportunity for us to pick up. Mr. King tells us that they are focusing more on the business lending, which is probably good, and then not in the hot end of the property market out in the real estate world, in the retail world. So we're pretty comfortable with that, and the market certainly re-rated nicely. The other thing that came up today was, and it's been bubbling around for a little while, is the attitude towards coal, oil and gas. We've seen the oil price rise very nicely. The Brent price is up to about $85, and WTI is up to about 84 and change. What hasn't followed is the rating of the share prices. Woodside and Santos, they've ticked along quite poorly, and so the disconnect that exists between the price and the performance of the stock's a real issue for us. We're not holding any in any of the major oil stocks, and will probably stay that way. So there's certainly the ESG influence is quite strongly is occurring in that space, so I think we'll probably keep it as such.
Amazing.
Hey.
Well, thank you to the two of you for joining me today, and that's all we have time for this week. Again, catch up with us next week on Wednesday as well, and we'll be posting another one. Thank you.
Thank you.